Hello guys, today I will show an easy guide on how to deploy a Vite React app on GitHub Pages in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Step 1. Set up your project. Make sure your app is ready to go. You should have your Vite React project already created and working locally on your computer. Step 2. Add the right tool. You'll need a simple tool that helps you upload your project to GitHub Pages. It's like a helper that prepares and sends your app to the right place online. Step 3. Tweak a few settings. Just a couple of small edits are needed, like telling GitHub where your app lives and making sure the build files are created properly. Step 4. Build and deploy. Once it's set, you build your app. This step gets it ready for the web. Then with one simple command, you upload it to GitHub Pages. It only takes a moment. Step 5. Visit your site. Head over to your GitHub repo, find the Pages section, and you'll see the live link. Click it, and boom, your site is up for the world to see.